Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials, and today we came up with an interesting topic wherein we have seen that the question was asked multiple times by the interviewer whenever you are going for the call center or else BPO interview jobs. So let's start today's topic. Before that, I would like everyone to please share, subscribe the channel, also click on bell icon so that you guys can get the notification. A playlist include multiple videos related to training, quality, operation team lead, people management, Excel tricks, reports and dashboards in Excel, Google Studio to create a new way of dashboards. Many more videos are there. Six Sigma certification is also included. Do watch and learn the new things and crack your interviews. Let's start today's topic, that is the difference between BPO and KPO. Let's learn it today, guys. Okay, first of all, before moving to the differentiation between all the two topics, we will just understand the basic meaning of BPO and what are the type of it. So BPO which means business process outsourcing. Business process outsourcing provide a service to the different company while acting as like an third party or else vendor. For an example, Amazon is a brand, Google is a brand. They're having their own products, own services. Like Amazon have their own products, own website. Same Google have their own services like YouTube and AdWords, analytics, many things are there. For that, they would require a team who can take care of their other activities like HR activities or maybe customer support, website queries related support or technical support, anything. For that, the team or the companies who are doing the outsourcing, that particular process is known as business process outsourcing. Now, BPO basically mainly focus on the communication skills and it basically work on process driven activities like what the process tells the employees who are working in the call center, I can say, who are working like in as an BPO employee. They need to work on the basis of training given to them and they will follow that particular process. Why the companies do that and why they want third parties or vendors? Basically, companies mainly focus will be on getting a good or giving a good service to the customers. For that, an individual company cannot keep more focus on it, so that what they will do to get a good customer satisfaction, to reduce their cost, what they will do, they will give all these activities to the third party websites or third party companies. Reason, they can do that activities or they can do that things at a low cost. I'll give you a good example. You have seen in India, basically all the US or other countries are taking or giving their business to Indian companies. Reason why? The cost of a rupee is lesser than the dollar. Great. That is the reason all the US companies are giving projects to the India or other countries wherein the cost of money or currency is less. Reason, to pay one employee in US, they need to pay $1, which means around 78 to 90 rupees if we consider that as an Indian. To pay same in India, it will goes to only 1% of it. The calculation is very easy. In upcoming videos, we will do that. How the different companies are earning their money with the giving tasks to the other companies who having the low currencies. So it's a basic thing wherein they want to reduce their cost. Next, what kind of BPO services may get by the third party? It may be like a training services, HR activities, technical support, customer support. If there is any websites they want to manage, they want a customer support for that, maintenance, upgrading, everything will be taken care in the BPOs. So this is all about business process outsourcing. Basically, there are three type of BPOs. The one is onshore BPO, offshore BPO, nearshore BPO. Onshore, for an example, there is one company in US and they are giving a third party service to the company which is already in the US, okay, which means within the country. That is known as onshore BPO. Offshore BPO, outside of country, which means overseas. Nearshore BPO, This is something unique, guys, wherein we no need to bother about it. Just go with the definitions. That is more than enough. Which means the company which is near to the other country, which is nearshore BPO. So this is just in a basic. If you give the names and a basic definition on it, it is more than enough for the interviewer. Let's move to the KPO because I have seen these guys. People are going for the interviews wherein the HR is telling them, okay, you will be selecting for the KPOs. Without knowing the knowledge about it, people may enter into the job and they may feel bored, they may feel exhausted. Reason because the one what they are looking for is not matching to the profile where they are working out. So it is mandatory to understand what is the difference between BPO and KPO. Let's move to the KPO. Knowledge process outsourcing. This is also a kind of third party service which is provided to the different companies. It is same like as an outsourcing activity done for the different brands wherein we will be providing support to them, but in a KPOs they are mainly focusing on to the insights related work, or maybe I can say knowledge related work. If the two things comes, which means they require the employees with the required skills. Example, if they want to hire a in a BPO, they want employees, 10 employees required, wherein they will be working on the basis of process. They can go with any degree. There will be no any specific qualification required. Suppose a BA, the BTech, or BBM, BBA, any degrees they have done, they can work on it. But when it comes to KPO, they will be specifying very clearly that if they are suppose taking or hiring for any data analytics, they would be requiring the employees who will be graduation with the role of any analytical field like engineering or anything. If they are looking for any financial related, they will be looking for the employees who will be from the BCom background. So basically they will be looking for the employees who are highly qualified, expertise in that particular subject. They do have a deep knowledge to get out the insights. Okay, on the basis of that they can take the judgments. So that kind of work will be done in the KPOs, guys. Same, guys, this is also a same thing. Companies are high doing the deep KPUs related reason to reduce their cost, and same different overseas companies are giving their KPUs projects to the countries wherein the currency rates are low. Let's move to the another topic, that is what is difference between BPOs and KPOs. BPOs basically based on rules. There will be a certain process, there will be a certain rules that to be followed. KPOs basically works on judgments on the basis of the task what you have received. You need to get the insights, you need to do some data analytics. On the basis of that, you can judge what the call or what the action need to be taken. BPOs less complex. Reason we need to focus on the basis of training what we have received. It is highly complex KPO. Now for the BPOs we required less process expertise, but for the KPOs there should be a good knowledge expertise we will be requiring it. It is volume driven as most of the employees work in the BPO wherein they need to crunch out the volume. They will be getting certain calls per hour, they need to crunch it out, or they need to solve their issues over the call. Basically depends on volume, but KPOs basically depend on insights. Required good communication skills in BPO. For the KPOs, with the help of communication, they would also require a good qualification. In the BPOs, it is predefined things wherein low coordination and collaboration required, but in the KPOs, high coordination and collaboration required. Reason, it basically depends on the insights. This is basically a predefined process, but KPOs are not predefined. It required an application understanding of the business. Guys, if you have seen 3 to 4 slides of BPOs and KPOs. If you give at least 7 to 8 differences in front of the HR, I'm telling you guys, the questions and the answers what you will be giving will be 100% satisfied answer for the HR. Guys, please do watch this video again and again so that you can learn the things very clearly, pick out the point, make a notes, and go for the interview, guys, so that you can give the exact answer. This is all about the BPOs and KPOs. Let's learn the another topic in upcoming sessions. Maybe it's related to the Six Sigma quality, or maybe a new topic will be there. So don't miss to subscribe and share the channel, and specifically click on bell icon so that you can get the notification. If you truly loved a video, if you truly find that the information what was given by me is correct and it is helpful for you, please do share, subscribe, and give the feedback in the comment section. If you require any more other help on any of the video, please share out your points in the comment section, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.